how to use Snapchat Bitmoji Kitchen feature. To use the Snapchat's Bitmoji Kitchen feature, first of all, you have to go ahead and then launch the Snapchat application on your device. Now you simply have to proceed to capture a photo or video using the main camera. Now you simply have to tap on the text icon on the top right corner. From here, you simply have to look at the font and then style row over here. You should be able to find it just like this. Now you simply have to swipe through the text styles and tap the specialized Bitmoji or Customoji font style icon. Once you find it, you simply have to go ahead and tap on it. Now all you have to do is your standard keyboard will now automatically convert into the custom tray, and tap any standard emoji or emotion emoji. The text tool will instantly cook up custom sticker replacing your text, displaying your personal Bitmoji acting out that exact emoji's thread. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.